What's up, guys? How's it going? Today we're taking a look at this awesome karaoke machine from Pure Mic. This is a really cool little machine, super compact, super portable, and honestly very impressive with what it delivers. So I'm super excited to jump into this. Wanted to show you guys as well too, it does come with some different charging cables. So you do have a DC charging cable there, as well as this USB-C that is for the microphones, and this is for the karaoke machine itself. And then a nice instruction manual as well too, which is super nice for getting started with. So let's just jump into the machine itself. All right, guys, so here is the Pure Mic karaoke machine. I love that it comes with this faux leather strap case, essentially, or carrying case. It has this awesome strap on it, and it's the Pure Mic logo on it. It looks really nice, which is awesome. And it has the little microphone holders on it, which is super cool. And then also it has cutouts for the woofers on each side. There's a woofer there and a woofer over here on this side as well, which is super cool. And then on the back, it also has a cutout for the lower control panel, and that is essentially just where you have a bunch of different ports. So I'll go ahead and open that up so you can see it. Let's see, do this one-handed. There you go. So you can see all those different ports. So you've got a USB, an aux, and then the DC input for charging right there, which is awesome. Super cool. And then up above, we have the control panel here. This does have near field communications, or NFC, so pairing your phone is super easy, especially if you have an Android device. All you have to do is just tap it to this, and it will automatically pair. So it's super easy. So if a friend is like, oh, let me pair my phone, just tap your phone to that, and then you're good to go. From over here, you got your on button. This is your power button. It also controls your volume and echo or reverb effects. You have your Bluetooth button. This turns your Bluetooth on and off. This is your bass button. This will bass boost your music. This is your play and pause button. This is your record button. This does have a record functionality, which is really cool. And this controls the lights on the speaker. And then this dial right here allows us to do previous and next song selections. All right, so now let's take a look at the mics. These are the Pure Mic microphones. There are two of these. They are identical. Let's start down here. They have a USB-C charging port, which is awesome. So you don't have to worry about batteries. You just charge up the mics before each use. They turn on easily. They just turn right on like that, and the blue means they are paired and ready to go, which is super cool. They also have a volume control here, and then here, this button, what that does is it controls special effects, but then it also, if you hold it down, will do a vocal elimination mode on the karaoke machine, which is super cool. So if you don't want to have vocals along with you in the original song, you can go ahead and turn that off, and it uses a gate technology that essentially, via, I'm assuming it's an AI or something like that, will cut out those vocals and remove them from the song, and it does a pretty good job with it. So this also does have a record mode, and this can be utilized if you have a USB drive plugged into the back of this, and so so this also does have a record mode, and this can be utilized if you have a USB flash drive plugged into the back of this, so that way you can hit record, and that will send all of that data in an MP3 file to the flash drive, which is really neat. All right, guys, I'm going to show you how to use the microphone here along with this. All we're going to do is hold down that button, and you'll see here, we are paired, and now I am just speaking into the microphone. And now I can also control my volume via the microphone, which is really nice. So I can go ahead and turn myself up, as you can hear me getting louder, or I can turn myself down and off as well. So there is the microphone level. If I click this,
KTV mode.
that will take me to KTV mode.
Speech mode.
Put me in speech mode.
KTV
And back
mode.
to KTV. So now I'm in KTV.
Speech mode.
And now I'm in speech mode.
KTV mode.
And now I'm back in KTV, which is very nice. And then if I hold down this,
Vocal elimination on.
you can hear it just pulled the vocal elimination and turned that on. So that will take vocals out of the recordings using an AI algorithm, which actually works pretty well. And now,
Vocal elimination off.
all I had to do to turn that off was just hold down that button again. So let me show you guys what this is like. All right, so I will say this is a pretty good sounding speaker as well. So this does have good speaker quality. So let me go ahead and cue up a song. So here we'll go with something here. All right, so you can see that. We can go ahead and control the volume via this. And this just controls the music volume. To control the mic volume, you control it on the mic with these buttons, which is really cool. So we can go ahead and make that as loud or as quiet as you want to. And then if you're cycling through the bass mode, you can
Bass off.
turn the bass off.
Bass on.
Or if you want more bass, just turn it on. Now it's really fat bass, which is awesome. So, and you can see here we are, and I can change the different cycles on the LED up front, which is really cool. But pretty awesome. Oh, there's place. So then you can sing along. Longing to escape from the life I live when I am away. So, pretty cool. And you can also take the vocal elimination feature into this. So I'll go ahead and show you that here.
Vocal elimination on.
And it just pulled the lyrics straight out. Me higher to a place where blind men see. You can see it pulled the lyrics out of the song completely. And then I can turn it back on.
Vocal elimination off.
And now it's back. But it's a really good sounding speaker. Super easy to use. The mic speaker, it's incredibly easily. And there's two mics, so you can do duets or you can sing with a friend, which is really cool. So if you're looking for something that's compact and powerful like this little thing, definitely check this out. I think it's an awesome concept. It's really fun and it's a blast to use. So if you're looking for something like this, definitely check this one out.